Now students, our next topic is perpendicular from center to the chord. So perpendicular from center to the chord. The first theorem is related for the first theorem. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. So first here we draw a circle. This is a center point O and AB is a chord, and the chord AB is bisect center of a circle to a chord, bisect the chord. It means this line will be joined O to line segment AB. O is perpendicular to AB. Now here write down the point M, and bisect, it means the 90 degree, make a 90 degree angle. So you have to first you have to write down given AB is a chord. AB is a chord, a circle of a circle with center point O, and OM is perpendicular to AB. So write down OM is perpendicular to AB. Now, so to prove OM is a bisect of AB, that is AM equal to the MB. So AB is divided into two equal parts, AM equal to MB. So this is a proof. So now first you have to write construction, join the OA and the OB. First you have to join. So make a join on the points with a center point of O. So now proof in triangle AMO. This is a first triangle, and the BMO, this is a second triangle. So triangle AMO and the triangle BMO, we have OA equal to the OB. OA equal to OB because OA and OB will be radii of same circle. So you can write radii of same circle. Now here we given angle AOM. So write down here angle AMO. Angle AMO is equal to angle BMO. So angle AMO equal to angle BMO. Here write down each is 90 degree because both will be OM is a bisect the line segment AB. So AMO and the BMO, each angle will be make a 90 degree angle. Now the third is OM equal to OM. This is common side. This is common side. So now here we given the two sides and the one angle. But two sides and the one angle, and the angle is perpendicular to bisector. Perpendicular to bisector, it means using by the RHS congruency rule. So you have to write down triangle. Therefore triangle AMO equal to triangle BMO by the RHS congruency rule. Equal and the congruent by the RHS congruency rule. So then you can prove that AM is equal to MB. So you have by the CP/CT. So you can also prove that AM equal to MB by the corresponding part of the congruent triangle. So this is the theorem first for related the perpendicular from center to the circle to the chord. So now the next let's see the next theorem.